Very strange weather once again here in the Finger Lakes. We have most of the day blizzard-like conditions, but all of a sudden the skies opened up. Still real windy. We also have a full moon, almost. So, guess it could be a lot worse. It's going down to 10 degrees tonight with minus 15 wind chills. Heard the coyotes last night, but must be rough being a carnivore. It's the first time I've seen the mountains. It's been like constant blizzard all day. Another day in the winter weather roller coaster. They're calling for 50 degrees and rain on Saturday. It's crazy. Good thing we don't have climate change.